Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
On TV, it's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 2, Lesotho 0. I'm joined by friend my brother Libitso Kimang Otsoko Kai.
Ke tsunami ya Limpopo.
Sha.
Feditse.
Game we bone jwang.
Bona Steve, ke di 21 March vandag ne.
Sha.
Ke Human Rights Day.
Sha.
Wa mfostana bafana re fele di rights ya rena as count.
Exactly.
Wa mfostana we've got the breaking rights one top. Re tlogela taba go bua ka Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns go na le mine.
Sha.
Ke national unity one tola. Sure. So re tlogela taba go ya go tlo separate bafana re bafana ka ofela re le
Ke o tshwa.
one ton
Ha ona Chiefs.
a una Chiefs a una armo petwe
Sha.
yeah
Sha.
one ton
Sha.
so
Bafana.
this squad one ke bafana one way against Lesotho
Ke o tshwa.
sure
Mara di player tsa Chiefs ne di le kae banna?
the players are Chiefs mamela Steve bafana ba Chiefs ne fakile delegate one fanda ke ngeza siyabonga ngeza
Ke o tshwa.
one ton ke ngwana ro ya mfosa ne le sa mo if ngeza ke ka besa Kaizer Chiefs ne le ka se bone ngeza jersey number 21
Ke o tshwa.
in fact ibile ke mo fa man of the match
Ke na man of the match ya ha.
ke mo fa man of the match ke defender ro
Sha.
keep it clean sheet this team
Sure.
Asirono and William Saliba
Sure.
is the whole defensive pair
Yes.
one ton
Yes.
so Ngeza was outstanding
Ke o tshwa.
sure Steve
So le happy ka squad.
Skill cause Steve I'm sure and recognize that we the last time mara the way you cook Bruce Ibon in Gawon
Sure.
keep the way in Gawon
Ha mo gopola ranga. Sibabiro.
nka be re sena goal aba so aba le gona
Ranga?
Steve o bona tlogela ntwe bona re ke kwa
Shabu si.